and thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today I am opening this package, which I think is the Oh Deer mystery box that I ordered. I didn't order anything else, so I just assume that this is it. And this is the small package. I kind of felt that it was too expensive, and then I saw it was on sale and they had an extra discount code for, I don't know, maybe 5% off, so it was quite cheap. I don't really remember, I think it was 12 euros including shipping, or maybe a little bit more, and I believe it used to be 15 pounds, which is a little bit more than 15 euros. I'm not completely sure on the conversion on that, but that was too expensive because that was without shipping. And Oh Deer owns a separate brand, or maybe a concept called the Paper Gang, which is a monthly subscription box for stationery. And I kind of thought that this would be stationery as well, but I'm not sure anymore because they have a lot of lifestyle and other things as well. So I'm really excited, and I just hope it's a little bit of stationery because that's my thing, but cool. Oh, that's cool. They gave me this pretty card with an extra discount code on my next order. I'm covering that because I might order something with that code, so small mystery box. Yeah, that's this one. Illustrated for life, which is also why I kind of thought it would be stationery. And it's a small box. What home items could they put in here, right? Yeah. And this is what my cat always does whenever I have paper boxes on the table. He just likes to sit on them. But that's not what you're supposed to do, cutie. Okay, let's open it. I'm excited. Okay. Oh, I see something. Okay, so first we have this beautiful card that says, unbeknownst to most, the world is completely controlled by a single pipe smoking rabbit. Which is actually an illustration that I saw a long time ago and I loved it. So I'm really happy that this card is in here. That's just funny, right? I would love that the world would be controlled by a pipe smoking rabbit. What? Okay, then next we have this. It's an iron-on patch. Huh. I've never done this. I know it can look cute, but not sure. I might give this to someone else. Next, another card that says, expressing yourself through the medium of interpretative dance. Fuck off, fuck off, fuck off. I'm not sure. Should I bleep that? Oh, I love this. But what I was gasping for when I saw this card, it showed me a little sneak peek of this, which is Grumpy Cat. Okay. As a cat fan, I love Grumpy Cat, and it's a notebook. Oh my gosh. This... I actually have been looking for a notebook for quite a while because my other ones are filling up, and this is the perfect size for in my Traveler's Notebook cover for my A5 Traveler's Notebook. I don't even mind that the lines are orange. Feels nice. The quality of the paper seems quite nice as well. I love it. Everything about it. I want that sweater. Can I have that sweater? Okay. And then the last thing, I believe, yeah, this is filling, is this washi tape with pencil and paper clip, another pencil and shavings and a sharpener. Not sure if I like it. Actually, I don't like it. Oh, which I feel so horrible for, because paying 12 euros for 2 cards and a notebook is a little bit over my budget. I guess the washi should have made it more worth it. Okay, this was what I was afraid of. I love these illustrations, like the booklet and the card and the... I love these. Like, this is right on spot for my style. But then Oh Deer sometimes has so much of these bold things. Like, this is even a little bit my style. I don't mind this. This washi tape is just not my style, and I hate it. I feel so not upset, but kind of disappointed by this. Like, give me a washi tape with Grumpy Cat and I would have been so happy. Anyway, I will probably find someone who loves this tape. But on the other hand, I absolutely love the notebook, love the cards. Just not sure if even the discounted version of this box was worth it to me. It's just kind of a gamble that you take, right? That's why it's a mystery box, and I'm not sure if I like mystery boxes anymore. I just rather know what I buy than buying a mystery box, I think. I don't know. I kind of like the not knowing what I get, but then again, I like knowing what I get as well, so... not sure. Okay, well, that was it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I have no idea if this is something you like to watch. My other mystery box unboxing by Nikki Dottie did very well, so I thought I would try it again. I'm still not sure whether I like to do mystery boxes like this. It's just personal, I think. And if you find a mystery box that is by someone who completely has your style, then I would go for it. But I would have liked, like, when they have the Paper Gang box, they give you a list of what everything would have been worth separately. I would like to thank you so much for watching, and I hope if you like this video that you will give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of these types of videos, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I will see you next time. Bye bye!